Okay, so this is IM1. We're in lesson 5-2, and I am looking at problem 2, graphing an exponential function. So the question is, what is the graph of each of these functions? Well, this is distance learning, so I can go ahead and just use my Desmos graphing calculator. So I have y equals 0.5 times 3 to the power of x. So let's put it in. Y equals 0.5, and I'm going to use my times button, which is the asterisk above the 8, times 3, and to the power of, I'm going to use the little caret above 6 to the power of x. And here's what my graph looks like, right? It kind of looks like increasing slide, the thing that you see all the time right now in the news. All right, so let's look at what we actually are going to graph. So we cross the axis at 0 and 0.5. I can go ahead and put that in. So it's going to be right there at 0 and 0.5. Right? I'll draw a little line. What else? I have at 5, it is what? 2.1-ish, right? So what is it at 2? At 2, it is 4.5. So we could say at 2, it is 1, 2, 3, 4.5, right? We can draw a line right there. And I bet you could connect those dots, and maybe your skills are better than mine when it comes to hand drawing these graphs, but it's going to look something like that, maybe with a little bit better line. If you really want to make a nice loop, you can use the curve. All right, let's do this one. So y equals negative 0.5 times 3 to the power of x. So let's just go in here and let's put a negative in front of it. And it flipped the graph upside down. So we can make those same marks. We can use, we'll use red. So at 0, it's negative 0.5. At 0, it's negative 0.5. At 2, it's probably negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.5, right? And you can draw that same curve. It's just in the upside down. So what did it teach us? Well, if the number in the front is negative, the curve is going to go down. If the number in the front is positive, the curve is going to go up.